Good morning. I am just about to make myself a bit of breakfast. I have been having quite a heavy breakfast recently, omelets, all that kind of stuff, but today I thought, you know what, it's summer, like the weather is so hot, and I just think I'm gonna have just light, summery, gorgeous breakfast. So last night I actually bought a bunch of like Greek yogurt and a bit of Alpro as well. Like I kind of like to mix both in one, so a little bit of Alpro, and I think I will just have that with the strawberries. I bought some strawberries yesterday as well. So I wanted to have some strawberries in my yogurt, but it looks like my boyfriend has eaten all of them, so not gonna happen. Although to be honest, I might go to the store and buy some because they are really, really good. I didn't even get them from the store. I think I got them from a little market store, so I'm gonna head to the market store actually. Okay, so I put away a lot of the stuff that I already got, but I just want to show you. So I put away tomatoes I also got some cucumbers, but here we have a giant stick of parsley, and then we have some goat cheese with flowers on them. I could try a little salad with that. I will have it with some rocket. I don't know what this is. In other countries, I know they call this something else. If you know what this is in America, please let me know. I think it's like something. The strawberries in here, and I got a bunch of peaches as well. And with these peaches, I'm gonna make the salad, I think. But I'll make that later on. Okay, so let's make this yogurt bowl. Okay, so I have in here some strawberries, some walnuts I added, some hazelnuts, some Brazil nuts. I love Brazil nuts. And then a little bit of granola just to give it more crunch. And yeah, this will keep me nice and full for the morning. You know what? I added the mint leaves, like from the little mint plant I have in the kitchen, and it's literally just giving it like a whole new vibe. I really just didn't expect like mint and strawberry to be this good, but it's really, really nice. I had a party like 2 days ago, literally so many limes, and I actually have a lot of lemons, more lemons in the fridge from the party. Just from like the drinks and stuff. I even have this giant bottle of tequila. I don't know why I bought so much, but I think it's just, you always want to have too much rather than too little at a party, I guess. And yeah, I mean, next time on Christmas we'll have like another party or something. I also went to the Chinese supermarket yesterday and got like a few bits. So I got some chili paste, which is so delicious. I got chili oil with dried shrimp and black beans. I don't know why I got that, but to try, you know. I even got this kimchi sauce. This is the kimchi sauce I got. Yes, it was €6.50, which is really expensive actually, but hopefully it's worth it. Sriracha mayo. There's not actually mayonnaise in here, I'm sure, because it always has like a little, yeah, I'm so vegan on it, so I don't think it's real mayonnaise. This is turning into like a little grocery haul. I also got some spring onions, and then I got these mushrooms. I absolutely love these. Like whenever I go to like a Chinese hot pot place, I always have these, and they're so good. So hopefully I can make something with that. So I always get cabbage. I love cabbage, but this is the kind of cabbage that they have in a lot of like Asian food. And then I got some pak chow, of course. So there's a bunch of pak chow in there.
Lies to me, says I ain't supposed to be the kind of woman that I am. Feel so invisible, standing near miserable. Why don't you hold my hand? What would it take to see a life that ain't make believe? All truth, no lie. Haven't got no peace of mind. We never thought we'd be living so differently. No lie, made up my mind, I have had enough. Oh, Mr. January, will you arrive wearing your Sunday best? Finally meet, I hope you'll be better than all this rest. White and patiently sipping English breakfast tea. I think of you, yes I do. You know what I desire. Pull me down and light my fire. I'll be safe and sound with you. What would it take to see a life that ain't make believe? All truth, no lie. Haven't got no peace of mind.
If I could tell you what I'm like this, it's because I don't know enough about myself to have an eye to give. If I could tell you how to make me trust you, I'd say you couldn't. I saw us break the moment I met you.
And that is my salad. I have the bread on the side. I've only got 2 slices, but I might have the other 2 later. So, and then I have some blueberries as well, so I'm just gonna add some blueberries. That is, oh, I love that. This is like a gorgeous summer salad. Today is just such a gorgeous day. The sun is just shining. I'm gonna go onto the balcony and just sit in the sun and enjoy. I know I always say this, but I just want to say it again. If you struggle to eat healthy or you don't like salads, for example, right? The best thing to do, in my opinion, is to just add a lot of fruit into them. I think it just makes it easier for people who don't necessarily normally eat these types of things. The fruit just gives it like just a nice, you know, sweet flavor, and then like it just mixes in with the savory, and then it has like that kind of, you know, sweet savory taste, and then the crunches from, you know, the nuts. It just makes it much nicer. And then obviously little piece of bread, like a sourdough bread, and it makes it really yummy. This is the best goat cheese I've ever had. Like, that market is so good. I just came back from Mango and did like a little shop. Look what they have. They have like a dupe for the Loewe bag. I thought that was really cute, so I got that. And then I also got this dress. I think I'll wear this together actually tomorrow. So the dress had this little kind of buckle on it and just, you know, a little bit of ruching. I think it looks so good on. I tried it on in the fitting room, so that's really nice. And then I also got this, which is like a knitted dress. This looks so great on me and it looks so nice on my skin as well. I'll show you it tomorrow. I would try this on for you guys, but I'm starving, so yeah, I'm going to try this on tomorrow. Right now I'm gonna make some soup. So it's the first time I'm trying it, so we'll see. I've added some water in there as well. Oh, there's also a bit of garlic mince in here, and then I'm gonna add in all of the rest of the stuff. I'm using dumplings from this brand. They're really good. It says that they're Korean's #1 brand. I'm not sure if that's really true. However, I will say any other time that I've gotten any other like packet of dumplings, they haven't been amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna have this for dinner and I will probably see you tomorrow. Pak chow and cabbage are my two favorite vegetables. The problem with pak chow sometimes is that it can be very big and clumsy to eat. I got these like tiny ones, like smaller ones, and it's just perfect.
Freezing in Westwood, we don't give a fuck. Never a night just for the two of us. Wish for my timing for good or bad luck. My car got locked in the parking garage. We took an Uber straight to your home. We lay together but never too close. You know I want you, I need you the most. But we both know we gotta put it on hold. Love is an easy thing to worry about, romanticizing every moment aloud. My heart will cave in with my head in the clouds. We don't got no time for that. Down the road if everything is alright, let me know and I will follow your light. I'm taking care of other hearts in my life. We don't got no time for that. On the way to see my mama, on my way to see my. On the way to see my mama, on my way to see my. On the way to see my mama, on my way to see my. On the way to see my mama, on my way to see my. On the way to see my mama, on my way to see my. On the way to see my mama, on my way to see my. On the way to see my. Every night you're reminded of the love that we drowned. Memories in the back of an cloud account. We made this up a lot, so think that I'm finding out that though we don't talk no more, I'm hoping you're better now. I know it didn't end the way we saw it going down, and we're wanting different things, but if you're turning back around, then I'm turning back around. Cause I still see you like that through those rose-colored lenses. Red wine in a backpack, string lights and white picket fences. Blue skies, bright brown eyes, wish I could let it die. I still see you like that. I still see you
Okay, so I finished the packed lunches. And there you have it. We'll have that at the beach. So this is one of the dresses that I bought from Mango yesterday. And I will be wearing this to the beach. Just to give you a better view of the dress. Just the whole look. And yeah, so this is what I'm wearing. Okay, so I think me and Steph are gonna go head to the beach now. Why are you giggling at me? I am having a little mini kind of beauty session. So I pretty much just did my feet with these kind of foot peeling masks. So you put your feet in these kind of socks that have like the serum on them. So it will start shedding after about 3 days, right? So right now my feet are not like, they're like kind of normal. After about a week, then it will be like finished shedding and my feet will be nice and clear and smooth. I also took off my nail polish. Sometimes I do my own nails. I have like all the kind of nail stuff here. I have this here is the Sally Hansen cuticle remover. So this I'm gonna use now just to clean up my cuticles and make my nails nice and pretty. Because after like, you know, doing the shellac, they can be quite bad. So then on my face, on my eyes right now, I currently have this on my face. So they're the Pacifica Vegan Ceramide Eye Mask. Fragrance free, and it says for sensitive skin types, which I do have. And I think the reason I kind of got them actually is because first 3 ingredients, right? Well, obviously water, but then glycerin, niacinamide, and then all these ceramides. So I thought, yeah, I'm gonna try that. So I think the dress is actually gorgeous. I'm just not sure if I will really wear this because it has this see-through vibe. So yeah, I think this dress is definitely gonna be more for like on the beach, you know, on top of a bikini or something. Just because in some lights, it's not super see-through, but in other lights, it really is. So, you know, I wanna be somewhat modest. Another dress I bought recently, and I just love it. Like, I feel like a princess in this, like, it's very summery. This is definitely like a very current trend. This color has been very current. I've seen it like everywhere. The color really works for me. I hope it works for most people. I'm sure it probably does if it's like such a big trend right now. But yeah, it's very nice. I can't wait to go on holiday and wear this. This exact dress I got from Next actually. So I have a family member who gets discount there. And she was like, hey, do you wanna go into Next? And I was like, I don't know, I haven't been there in years to be fair. But went in and saw this and it was gorgeous. I also got, it doesn't match the dress at all, but I got this bag. It reminds me of the Bottega Jodie bag. And I just thought this would be so nice on a night out and so cute. I just want to show you guys another summer dress that I've been wearing and absolutely loving. The back on it is really low and really lovely. It's a long dress, so it's from Zara. I think it's really nice. I love the scoop neck. Like, I think it's just such a nice scoop. I will say the bottom, like the shape is just a little bit like very A-line. Not as, I guess not as flattering on the bottom as the other dress. However, I still really like this dress. It's like, throw it on, go out, wear it. I think next time, if I show you dresses in a vlog, I will style them like properly, like fully. Anyway, I think that's the end of the video. I'm gonna do like a mini outro and just say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.